Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make $100 per day just by searching Google. Now you're going to ask me how the heck am I going to make $100 per day just by searching Google? Really simple. So the point of us searching Google is finding some business owners. You're gonna contact these business owners and provide them some services, and they're gonna pay us for that. Now you're gonna tell me like I don't know how to do these services or where to find them and how to deliver them to these business owners. Really simple, guys. Don't get scared because I'm gonna show you how to find these service providers, and you're gonna play the middleman between the service provider and the man or the businessman who needs this service. So you're gonna search some local services in your niche. So basically, you're gonna search something like barbershop. You're gonna search barbershop near me. So I search barbershop in Dallas. You can search barbershop near me. Now, once you do that, you're gonna search this. Some search results will appear. All you have to do is scroll down below where it says more places. Then you can see all these services or all these businesses in Dallas or these barbershops in Dallas. What we can do is we can scroll down here, and as you can see, the fourth one doesn't have a website. So what you can do, since you are searching local businesses in your niche, you can contact them and call them and tell this parallel barber that he doesn't have a website. So you can tell him that you don't have a website, and all your competition like this barber or this San Francisco barbers of Dallas have their own website, and they are tracking so many traffic and getting so many customers away from you. So basically what you need to do is create a website. I'll be more than happy to create a website for you. Now you're gonna ask me, how am I gonna build a website for this guy? Well, really simple. All you have to do is go to Fiverr and search for local, or search for this term right here where it says WordPress website design. Then you're gonna click on search, and some search result will appear. So as you can see, I will create a WordPress site or a WordPress website design for you for $150. I will create a unique WordPress site for $150 or $100 here. We have $125. This is Fiverr choice. So I'll create a responsive WordPress design in 24 hours. So this guy is gonna do it for you for $125. Then what you can do is you can call them and offer them this service for $250, and you can straight bank $125, which is the difference. Really cool method, guys. So you get this website for $125 done for you, then you give it to this barber within 24 hours, and you make an easy $125 since you are charging them, or I'm sorry, since you are charging them $250. So real easy, guys. Now you tell me, I don't have this money, I don't have this type of money yet, I don't have $125. That's why I'm searching on YouTube on methods on how to make money online. I'm gonna tell you, you can use this tool called Builderall. Now Builderall is $29.99 per month. I'm pretty sure you can manage this, since this tool will help you build unlimited websites. You can have unlimited campaigns, you can have unlimited professional e-commerce websites, and it has all these features, and you can connect up to 15 domains. As for the basic plan for $990, you can connect one domain only. Now if you are thinking about getting more than one client, you need to use the Builderall business growth. Now the Builderall business growth is going to cost you $29.90. I'm going to leave a link down below for Builderall sign up. Now, once you sign up with Builderall, it's really easy. Once you are inside the members area of Builderall, you can click on builders, then you can click on drag and drop pixel builder, then you're gonna click on new website. Once you do that, this will appear. All you have to do is scroll down where it says local business, then you click this arrow, then you're gonna scroll down where it says barbershop. The next thing you can do, you can showcase these templates by clicking on view. Now once you click on view, this is the template that I just wanted to view. You can send this template example to this guy that you contacted, that you called. You can send it to him via email. You can tell him to give you his email or his Facebook account. You can send him the link to this. Then what you can do is you can send him a Google form that he has to fill. All you have to do is go to Google, then type in Google Forms, and then create a new form by clicking on the plus button. Now, if you decided to get the Builderall offer, this one, the Builderall digital marketing plan, I'm gonna give you this forum, and I'm gonna give you a full case study on how to go from $0 to $500 in 7 days using this exact same method. So basically, we're gonna create a simple form. It's gonna look like this. So this is the website order. Now, once this guy gives you the okay that you can build this website for him, you can give him this link to this web form. All he has to do is fill out all these information so that you can build this custom website for him. So the next thing you can do is you can go here to local business, then barbershop, and click on edit, and you will start editing the website to make it custom for this person. So you're gonna add his business name, all the information in here, you're gonna add it to this website. Now, if you don't know how to build websites, if you are newbie, you don't know anything about website building, you're gonna go to your Builderall account, then you're gonna scroll down where it says tutorials. Then you're gonna click on training. Then you're gonna find all the training you need, how to build a website. Just click on how to build a website and how to build a website with Pixel Builder within minutes. And there are a couple tutorials in here. You can check out these videos and you will know how to build a website from scratch, or how to customize these websites for your clients. So you can charge them from anywhere from $250 up to $1,000. I just made this video on how to make $100 per day using Google, and this was the method. You can make even more than $100, but since you are starting out, you don't have any clients, I recommend you charge them like $250, or you can go with this plan for $30 a month, and you can charge them like $150 for their website, and you can make an easy $120 in profit. So this was the video. Now, if you want to make easy money using Builderall, you can do that. I'm gonna show you how I make money with Builderall. So if I scroll down to my earning calculator, I'm on the Builderall business plan for $49.90 per month. So if I get 10 people to sign up with Builderall, and these 10 people get 10 other people to sign up, and these 10 get 10, that's the simple thing. So I'm gonna make $500 on instant income, then I'm gonna make $1,564.37 on recurring income. So each month I'm gonna make this number just by referring 10 people in a year, and these people will work as an affiliate. In these 10, each one of these 10 will make one sale during 365 days period. So this is so powerful. If you want to make money with Builderall and use all the tools here, you can design videos, you can make apps, you can make webinars, you can build websites for clients, you can build chatbots. You can check my channel to view how I build chatbots for clients. So basically, this was the video. I hope you like it. If you like Builderall, if you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment down below. Please check out our channel for more Make Money Online videos and subscribe, hit that bell so that you receive notifications once we make new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.